Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I told you guys in my last video where I had put on the O-site, I had a couple people ask, and I put in the comments that I'd show you guys how to do the colorization on your own. Very easy to do. So the best colors I found are white, the yellow, and the orange. So I got a couple different, so this is the white, yellow, and then the orange. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. All you're going to need is some good, quality nail polish. And then what you want to do is make sure you have the non-acetone nail polish remover, so that won't damage your firearms. So as you see, all the guns are clear, but we're going to be working on the Glock 34. So we'll put these off. You see no live ammunition on the table. Weapons cleared. So I'm just going to show you this, even though this is done. We'll just touch it up a little bit. Once you do this, make sure you get the color you want, because once you do this and let it dry, and you want to change the color on it, it's going to take a lot of Q-tips and a lot of nail polish to get it out. So it lasts pretty good. This has been on there for 2 or 3 years without me touching it up. So you guys can see how good it looks. So it works really good. So all you gotta do is, so you're gonna take a microfiber towel when you're first starting, and let's just pretend there's no colorization here. Just take a microfiber towel, put a little bit of non-acetone nail polish on it, and clean that area really good and let it dry for a few minutes. And then use the dry side to dry it all off. Once you get that dried, and you're gonna need like a little just like a little card, like a little credit card or something. I just use this little turnout door discount card. So once you got it nice and dried, you're just going to take your polish, just put a little bit on there. And I apologize, I'm not a professional camera guy, so what you're going to do is just apply it over the lettering that you want to colorize. And you can do this on, I have this done on all my stuff. Oops, sorry. Okay, so just put a good coat on there. This coat is just going to go on there because I already have a coat in there. So just going to let it sit for a second. And then all you got to do is, you're just going to take your card. I'm going to try to keep the camera on this. And just basically swipe it so it's down. Now you can take your slide apart and do this. I just left mine on there. So if you get a little bit down here, don't worry, I'll show you how to clean it. It's not hard. So when you do the first coat, so that's all it is. You're done. So get a good first coat in there. I let this dry overnight. I'll come back the next morning, and then what you're going to want to use to clean it is you're going to want, for the second part, you're going to want a cotton t-shirt or a cotton rag. Don't use a microfiber because it'll go down in there. Or you can use gun cleaning pads. So then, once it dries that next morning, you just take a little bit of your non-acetone nail polish, put some on there, and then you can come back and clean it. Okay? I'm going to show you it's going to wipe. You know, it doesn't look like it on the camera, but it's coming off. I'm just going to do this one part right here. So you can see that comes off very good. Okay. So you're going to clean it up, and you see how nice it looks. Okay. I do one more coat that morning. I'll let it dry till either that night or the next morning. I'll do a second coat next morning, or 5 or 6 hours later. Come back and clean it. And you might have to do that like 2 or 3 times, just depending on the quality of nail polish you got. I just use this stuff from Walmart, so And then that's it. And then do that 2 or 3 times, and then it'll be good. It'll withstand your gun oil, all that stuff. So the M&P here, this is done in white. This has been on here for quite a while. The Shield X I just got about a month ago, so that's only been on there for about a month. So that's about it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and I'll answer them. Thank you.